This one right here, for my nigga X-rated, and for everybody that lost a loved one. We love you, and we gonna miss you.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. For all my niggas real, my niggas haters ain't not great. They don't know what to do. These haters ain't not great. They don't know shit to live. These haters ain't not great. For all my niggas real, my niggas haters ain't not great. They don't know what to do. These haters ain't not great. They don't know shit to live. These haters ain't not great.
Cause the block is too hot. I gotta dodge the cops, so I ain't fucking with the rock. Since I lost my nigga X, it been blunt after blunt. That's fucked up, cause I lost my little cuz in the same month. Live my life as a savage, with a bad smoking habit. But I'm stressing every day, so the weed I gotta have it. I'm thinking about a change, but I'm stuck in reverse. Hoping and praying I don't see another homie in the hearse. Cause when you're dead and gone, the world gon' move on. So I live my life a savage, stand strapped with the chrome. When you dead and gone, the world gon' move on. So I live my life a savage, stand strapped with the chrome.
For all my niggas,
Since I lost my nigga X, it been blunt after blunt.
not great. They don't know what
It's
to
fucked
do.
up, cause I lost my little cuz in the same month.
Not great. They don't know shit.
Since I lost my nigga X, it been blunt after blunt.
Not great.
It's fucked up, cause I lost my little cuz in the same month.
Not great. Don't know what
Since I lost my nigga X, it been blunt after blunt.
not great. Don't know shit to live.
X-rated was the coldest and I'm next in line. So ain't no stopping problem, child, cause it's my time to shine. Tryna shake these haters is a 24-hour hustle, but grinding is all I know, so you can't bust that bubble. I'm tired of being a victim to these crooked ass cops. Put a black up in the White House and it still won't stop. Obama, we need a change, cause it ain't no hope. Can't get a job without a diploma, so I gotta sell dope. Will a nigga make it? I wanna see a better way. You haters in my grip, but I'm gonna shine anyway. Know what I'm saying? Haters in my grip, but I'm gonna shine anyway, nigga.
These haters ain't not
Obama need to change, cause it ain't no hope. Can't get a job without a diploma, so I gotta sell dope. Obama, we need to change, cause it ain't no hope. Can't get a job without a diploma, so I gotta sell dope. Obama, we need to change, cause it ain't no hope. Can't get a job without a diploma, so I gotta sell dope. Know what I'm saying? For all my people locked down, know what I'm talking about? All the people you lost in the struggle. My nigga X-rated, my little cousin Trevor, Frisco, them Guademic, you know what I'm saying? Rest in peace, forever. You know what I'm talking about? BoutaShine, no wait. A boy problem child. That girl Lil Mo. I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more. I think I'm losing my mind. I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more. I think I'm losing my mind. I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more. I think I'm losing my mind. I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more. I think I'm losing my mind.